Okay, welcome. All right, this video, I'm gonna quickly go over how to add products to a collection on Shopify. All right, so let's get right into it. Okay, so first step, we're gonna go over on this left side right here, and we're gonna click on products, and then we're gonna go to collections. All right, then all the way on the top right side, we're gonna click on add collection. Once you click on that, for the title, you're gonna name your collection. For this one, for this example, I just do coffee mugs. Down here, personally for collection type, I always leave it at manual. All right, so once I add the name title to this collection, okay, I'll just go right here and save it. But as you can see down here, there's actually no products. All right, now there is two options of adding products to this collection. All right, one option is going right here, clicking on browse, and you can go through your products and just select whichever ones you want. All right, and the other option is you can just go back to this left side here, go to all of the products, and since that's a coffee mug, all right, I'm just gonna go and click on all the coffee mug products. All right, now if I scroll back to the top, just these three dots right here, if I click on that, all right, you see this option right here where it says add to collection. So I click on that, all right, and I'm gonna click on that coffee mug collection and hit save. Now, if I go right back here to my collections, go to coffee mugs, you'll see that there's 5 products added to that collection. Thanks for watching. If you got any value from the video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.